The Eternal Renewal and Unity with God. Excerpt from the Gospel of the Holy 12. 10. Truly, God eternally gives from the eternal life and the eternal substance so that the forms of the universe are continually renewed. Therefore, you all partake of the flesh and blood, the substance, and the life of the eternal, and my words are spirit and life. 11. And if you keep my commandments and live the life of the righteous, you will be happy in this life and in the life to come. Do not marvel at what I have said to you. Unless you eat the flesh and drink the blood of God, you have no life in you. 12. And the disciples answered, Lord, give us always to eat of this bread and to drink from this cup. For your words are truly food and drink. Through your life and your substance, we shall live forever. Interpretations. This passage from the Gospel of the Holy 12 contains profound spiritual symbolism that goes far beyond its literal meaning. It speaks of a mystical connection with God, made possible through understanding, living, and integrating divine principles. Let us explore the key aspects. 1. The Eternal Renewal and Unity with God, verse 10. God eternally gives from the eternal life and the eternal substance so that the forms of the universe are continually renewed. Hollow bullet eternal life and substance. God is the source of all life. His substance is not physical but represents the essence of being, the spiritual energy that permeates and sustains everything. Hollow bullet renewal. The universe and all forms within it are expressions of this divine essence, undergoing a process of constant renewal. This verse suggests that life is a dynamic and ever-unfolding principle. Hollow bullet participation in God. Since all forms of the universe originate from God's flesh and blood, we are all part of this divine life flow. Our connection to God is not abstract but existential. Panta Rai, everything flows and changes. Stagnation is death. Therefore, we, too, must remain open to change, to new impulses from others, and to perspectives that differ greatly from our own. Perhaps there is something vital in him that will help us grow. 2. The importance of the commandments and the righteous life, verse 11. If you keep my commandments and live the life of the righteous, you will be happy in this life and in the life to come. Hollow bullet commandments. This refers not to rigid laws but to divine principles such as love, compassion, truth, and humility. Hollow bullet righteous life. Those who live by these principles are in harmony with divine order and experience inner peace and happiness, both in this life and beyond. Hollow bullet eating and drinking God's flesh and blood. This is a metaphorical call to connect with the divine essence by internalizing and living the divine principles. It is not about physical consumption but about spiritually uniting with God's essence. 3. Words as nourishment for the soul, verse 12. Lord, give us always to eat of this bread and to drink from this cup. For your words are truly food and drink. Hollow bullet bread and cup. These symbolize divine truth and wisdom that nourish humanity, not on a physical level but on a spiritual one. Hollow bullet words as nourishment. God's words are spirit and life. They nourish the soul and provide what it needs for its growth and development. Hollow bullet eternal life. The disciples recognize that the divine essence, the essence of love, truth, and wisdom, is immortal. By internalizing this essence, they live fulfilled not only in this life but also in eternity. Summary. This passage invites us to deepen our connection with God by understanding and living divine principles. It emphasizes that God is the source of all life, and we are a part of it. The eating and drinking is to be understood symbolically. It means taking in God's truth, love, and wisdom so that they become alive within us. Following the divine commandments leads to a fulfilled, happy life, both here and in the hereafter.